Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I will be sharing with you guys 3 different costumes that I got from AMICLUBWEAR, or it can be AMICLUBWEAR, I still don't know. I have some other haul videos from AMICLUBWEAR, so if you guys would like to see those, I'll link them down below. And before we get started, I would like for you, those of you that are new to my channel, to please subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And I would love it if you give this video a big thumbs up. And I know 3 costumes is a little bit, but hopefully this video is helpful. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Little Red Riding Hood, or the Little Red Rider. First of all, I love that they come in this little bag thing. They come with hangers and everything. But yeah, it doesn't take long for them to deliver it. I think it took me, I ordered it and got it like 3 days later. But Halloween is around the corner, so if you want to order from them, just make sure you order fast because they will sell out or you won't get them in time. So this is it right here. Super cute, super comfortable. Well, not that comfortable. This part right here from the sleeve, it's super tight. Like as soon as I put it in, it was already hurting. I'm not exaggerating. It's obviously it stretches, but it's super tight. If I do wear this one, I'm gonna have to cut it from here because it cuts my circulation and I don't want that. So it does have a zipper in the back. The quality of the materials isn't bad at all, and my favorite part of this is a cape. It's super long. It's longer than me. I'm 5'5", I think, and it's like this much longer. So yeah, it's pretty thick actually. I thought I was gonna get like a cheap cape, I don't know, like a super thin one, but I love it. Oh, and I don't have a lot of boobs, so it didn't really fill it up from the dress, and it looks kind of loose and it looks weird. Love the quality, love that it comes with the hood. Next, the Pyrex. When I first took this little dress out, I was like, really? This little rag thing? When it's just like that, it's like, it looks pretty cheap. I put it on. I was like, okay, it's not that bad. This fits perfect, and it's not as short, but not as short as the red one. And it does have a zipper in the back. It's pretty stretchy. Now the jacket I loved. Love the quality, love the colors, love how it fits. Oh, but at first I thought I was supposed to like button it like on the waist, but it didn't fit. It wasn't going around, and it's not stretchy at all. So I was like really, this is a medium and not even close to closing. But then I saw the picture, and you're not supposed to button it up. It goes like that. You hold it down with the belt, and the belt's not that bad. It's really cute. And then with the belt on, it just gives you like a cute little waist because of the puffiness. But the hat that came with the costume is a joke. Like, it doesn't even fit. It's super like extra small. Like, how am I supposed to like pin this down or something? It's super cheap and like floppy. I don't want it. And then there's a sword. I mean, I guess you can use any sword. It's a good size though, and light to be carrying it around. And now for my favorite one that I received that gave me a lot of issues when I was trying it on. It's this one right here. I really like it. This is supposed to be Flirty Flapper. I don't even know what that is. So here it is. As you can see, I had to remove all the ribbon that's in the back, and it goes all the way like to your butt crack. Like, it stops right here. You have to like tie it really tight if you don't want your butt crack to be showing. It has a zipper, which is useless to me because it stops right here. But where this thing right here, the puffiness right here, it is not stretchy whatsoever. So, and it did not want to pass like half my thighs. I had to take it all off, and I was getting kind of mad because I was like, I can't believe this isn't gonna fit me, and I really love it. But once I had it on, I had to ask my husband to help me because I couldn't do it myself. But it looked so cute on the boobs part. It's like right above my nipples. I can't really put my hands up because my nipples are gonna show, so you can either like tape it down or just put nipple stickers. This was like the most expensive one I got, $80. It's great quality, but if you're just going like trick-or-treating, I don't think it's worth it. But if you're going to like a big party or something, then it's super cute. Oh, and it comes this right here, which I guess you can make it yourself too, and it could be a lot cuter. So I hope this video was helpful. I know I didn't have a lot of costumes. I wish I did. If you buy any of these, I hope you like them. I will put the link in the description box below to their website so you guys can check them out. It is 11 o'clock, and in 1 hour I'm gonna be 25. Tomorrow's my birthday, and this is the last hour. I'm 24. Time goes by so fast. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.